Good morning, second graders. This is Mrs. Anderson. Happy Monday. Today is an asynchronous day, Monday, November 16th, 2020. For some kids, this is the first time that they are back at home doing distance learning. And for other kids, this is another day of distance learning, but it is an asynchronous day. So here are all of the second grade teachers saying good morning and happy Monday. It's a new week. This morning and today you will need these things. This morning specifically, you will need a pencil, your new word workbook, your handwriting practice book, and a die. This afternoon, you will need a pencil and your blue math notebook. This morning, all 3 classrooms will be having a morning meeting. Be sure to find the correct link in your Seesaw account pinned to the top of your page. You are looking for the note from your teacher with your Seesaw link in it, and click on that link and join morning meeting. Today for literacy, you will be doing a Balloons Over Broadway activity. And so you will need to go into your Seesaw account and find the Balloons Over Broadway activity. The first thing that we want you to do is to listen to the story. So I believe if you click on this link right here and click on the little link symbol, you will be taken to a story or a person reading you Balloons Over Broadway. Okay, that's the very first thing you need to do. You need to listen to Balloons Over Broadway, and then you get to use the tools to design your own balloon for the Macy's parade. We would like you to choose a character from a book. So think of all the different books you've read, maybe your favorite book, and choose a character from that book. Then you're going to use, after you're done drawing, you will use the microphone to record who or what your balloon is and why it is special. Okay, so this is a chance for you to be creative and come up with a really good reason why your balloon is special and why it should be included in the parade. So for literacy workshop this morning, you are going to do the Roll It activity, okay? Here are your new spelling words for this week. You will want to write these down somewhere. It could be in your literacy notebook. It could be on the back page of your spiral spelling from last Friday, but be sure to write these words down somewhere. Clue, true, blue, rescue, fuel, fruit, cruise, juice, suit, and fluid. So here are the directions once again for the new Roll It activity. And when you're finished, please be sure to find the Word Work Seesaw activity to upload your work. Today, we want you to work on the uppercase letter E. And this is one of those letters, second graders, that has a lot of strokes. If you look at the example picture here, it's got 4 strokes. This first stroke down, and then across, across, and across. 4 different strokes. Once you've done your work, go into Seesaw Activities to upload your handwriting. We also would like you to read for 20 minutes today. You know that in order to get better at something, you need to practice, and we want you to become stronger readers. Now, for writing today, we are starting a new unit all about writing a personal narrative. So today we are going to look at a few examples of personal narrative. Over here it says click on the picture of the book to listen to after the fall. So again, you're going to click right on this book and be taken to someone reading you this story. Then it says click on the picture of the owl to listen to Owl Moon. And again, you're going to click on this picture and this will take you to Bookflix. And so if you have your password information, you can log into Bookflix and listen to Owl Moon. Then you will have a break for lunch and recess. Then at 1:35, second graders, you have specialists. And today is Monday. And so Mrs. Anderson's class will have a live Zoom session with Mr. Depre for Fayed. Mrs. Halverson's class will have a seesaw activity from Mrs. Brink. And Mrs. Corbell's class will have a seesaw activity from Mrs. Brink. So Anderson has live PE. Halverson and Corbell have a seesaw PE activity. Then for math today, we want you to log in to IXL and do the starred activities that your teachers have asked you to do. So again, listen to what I'm saying. You are not doing all the activities, or you're not picking which activities you want. Nope. You are going to do the starred activities. And once again, when you're done, you need to go into Seesaw and upload your work. You're going to upload your your SMART score from IXL. So again, you're not doing any activities you want. You're doing the starred activities, or the activities that your teacher has asked you to do. Oh, and I'll go back and say that if you need a refresher on how to log in and what to do, this is a video that Mrs. Corbell made and that we watched last week. But if you need a reminder, certainly go back and read or watch that video again. Then for unit today, you're going to do a little bit more in social studies. Your first job, or number 1, says to watch the Brain Pop Junior video about community helpers. And then part 2 would be to go to Seesaw and complete the community helpers activity. So here is that activity in Seesaw. It says, watch the Brain Pop Junior video about community helpers. And then you have to add a response, type the names of the community worker that can help you in each situation, and then turn in your work. Okay, so I'll go back and show you again who can help you in these various situations. You are going to name the community helper who can help you. This is the joke of the day, and it says, what is fast, loud, and crunchy? Post your guess on Seesaw first. The answer will be on the next slide. So you can't see the answer right here, but it's right, do you see down here? It's upside down in the lower left-hand corner. So second graders, that's what we would like you to do today, Monday, November 16th, your asynchronous day. Thanks everyone. If you have questions, please let us know. Do your best, follow directions. Have a great day, second grade.